Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain Figma for VS Code. This powerful integration brings your design files directly into your development environment, streamlining your workflow. To get started, simply install the Figma extension from the VS Code Marketplace. Once installed, you can connect your Figma account and access your projects. This setup allows developers to inspect designs, extract assets, and collaborate more closely with designers, bridging the gap between design and code seamlessly. It's designed to save you valuable time and reduce context switching. Once set up, you gain access to several core features. You can inspect design tokens and styles, seeing exact values for colors, fonts, and spacing, which helps maintain consistency. Extracting assets like images or SVG icons is straightforward, often requiring just one click, ensuring you always have the latest versions. Furthermore, the integration allows you to view comments and design updates directly within your editor, fostering better communication and collaboration between design and development teams, making your workflow much more efficient. When comparing Figma as a standalone tool versus its VS Code integration, each has distinct advantages. Figma itself offers a complete design environment with robust prototyping and extensive collaboration features for designers. The VS Code integration, however, is tailored for developers, providing immediate access to design specifications and assets directly within their coding environment. This significantly reduces context switching, saving valuable time. Ultimately, the better option depends on your specific role and workflow needs, with both tools excelling in their respective domains. To maximize your efficiency, establish clear communication between design and development teams. Regularly sync your Figma files and the VS Code extension to ensure you are always working with the most current designs. Utilize features like inspecting components and extracting code snippets to accelerate your development process. This integration is a powerful bridge, enhancing collaboration and ensuring design fidelity from concept to code. By adopting these best practices, you can significantly streamline your workflow and deliver high-quality products more effectively.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.